Whether you're a vegetarian, vegan, or just looking to add more vegetables into your diet, you got to try these healthy veggie burger recipes. You get to satisfy your craving for a burger, but without the saturated fat. So these burgers are high in protein and fiber, but low in fat. And hey, they can be gluten-free as well. And the best part about these burgers is that they're extremely versatile and easy to make. So I'm going to show you 3 variations of my favorite veggie burgers. So let's start with the curry chickpea burger. This burger is packed with spices such as cayenne, cumin, and also curry. And you get the nutty taste of chickpeas as well. So what I've used are 1 can of chickpeas, washed and drained, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of curry powder, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Add the chickpeas into a food processor or blender along with the garlic, all the spices, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Blend until you get a thick mixture. Using your hands, form the mixture into 4 burger patties. Each patty has about 112 calories. The next recipe has to be my favorite because it combines both mushrooms and also black beans. The thing is, mushrooms are surprisingly similar to the texture of meat when cooked. So eating this mushroom black bean burger will not make you miss the taste of a regular meat burger. What I've used are 3/4 cup of fresh mushrooms, finely diced, 3/4 can of black beans, rinsed and drained, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a cup of onion diced, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 tablespoon of green onions roughly chopped, half a teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste. So the key step here is to saute the mushrooms and onions before mixing it together with the beans, which will infuse much more flavor to the patties. So the first step here is to saute the garlic and onion for 3 to 5 minutes until they are soft and fragrant. Then add in the chopped mushrooms, green onions, and cumin. Continue to saute for another 5 minutes or until the mushrooms are cooked through. Then remove from heat and allow the mixture to cool down. In a bowl, roughly mash the black beans. I like to keep them chunky. Then combine the mashed black beans with the onion and mushroom mixture and flavor it with salt and pepper. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Again, using your hands, shape the mixture into 4 equal patties, about 3/4 to 1 inch thick. Mushrooms pack plenty of flavors and texture, and the black beans makes this burger much higher in fiber and also protein, which will keep you fuller for much longer. Each patty has about 112 calories. And my final recipe is the tofu chia burger. Tofu is a staple ingredient in most vegan or vegetarian diets. It's extremely versatile and it takes on the flavor of whatever ingredients you combine it with. This tofu burger packs on the flavors from the garlic and onions. Plus, it has the additional nutrient boost from chia seeds. What I've used are 1 block of extra firm tofu, half a cup of onion diced, 1 tablespoon of green onions roughly chopped, and 1 part of chia mixture, which is a combination of 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 garlic clove minced, and salt and pepper to taste. Blend the tofu along with the rest of the ingredients: onions, green onions, garlic, salt and pepper, chia mixture, and soy sauce. Blend until you form a tofu paste. Next, gently form the tofu mixture into patties, pressing everything together to form round patties, about 3/4 to 1 inch thick. This should make you about 4 patties. This tofu burger is very light, fluffy, and easy to be eaten. Each patty has about 104 calories. On a non-stick pan, heat 1 tablespoon of oil under medium-high heat. Then cook the patties on both sides until they are slightly brown and crunchy, just for about 5 minutes. Remove from heat and set aside. Now let's put these burgers together. You can either use English muffins or mini burger buns. So I've topped my burgers with baby spinach and sliced tomatoes. Choose any vegetables of your choice. Just look at them. They are healthy, delicious, and even perfect to be served as a party snack. Trust me, you will not be missing your regular meat burgers after trying one of these. They are moist, tender, and packed with flavor. You got to try them. Make them, snap, and share your pictures with me. Tag me at Joanna Soh Official and hashtag #JSohRecipes. Let me know which is your favorite in the comments below, okay? Be sure to snap because I want to see all your veggie burger creations. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done it. Turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new, healthy, and delicious recipe. All the best!